Hi, I'm here again. I decided to do this film in English because a lot of persons understand your own language in English. I speak a few of Spanish, but I speak better Italian, French, and English. But a lot of persons around the world know anything of English. Because of this, I'm here to do the reparation from the squad on Eachine EX4, the drone more loved in the world. The squad here arrived here for reparation with a lot of problems. But today I think that I will discover a solution for this. And I will speak a lot of things from the squad to you. Let's go. Let's start now. Go. First, the quad have some small parts so fragile. You can't damage all the parts from your quad. Only opening for try to do what is wrong with your quad. There's no reason to make this. Look, this is the system. You have here ultrasonic and GPS module. You have the gyro, compass, and the system to make the communication with your control cell phone and the drone. The control piece. This is the head of your Wi-Fi. Hold a minute. Oh, I think that it's so good. Good high made. This small square parts can to control the generations from your card. It's here. It's good idea, but the connection here is too bad. And here is your card to keep all the images and films you are making all the time. When this piece is damaged, there's no light shining here. Let me see to you. If the pieces are damaged, nothing to do here. You need to change. There's no function. Nothing here gonna function. But if you have a blue light, you have a way to follow. Trying to repair your quad. I make reparation here. Look. Hold a minute. Look. There's no light. Now, I'm gonna do a magic here. Hold a minute. Cause this film gonna be extensive. I need to make some things here to show to you. That's right. I don't know to show how I make this magic. Because it's too difficult to do the reparation in your own house. And you may burn your quad. Or the reparation will be cost very expensive to pay. Now, a small magic here to do the flow-optical system right again. I need to get out here for you to see. it's too difficult to see because it's there. Look, here, a small blue light. This means that the flow-optical system is good. Without optical flow system, without vision positioning, you can't access your app, see fly or enjoy fly. And this light will be shining every time to show to you that the drone can't connect with your control. Without this, without the light shining in blue, your quad is damaged. If it's fixed, you've not conditions to connect to your control or to the cell phone. If you're gonna fly without control, only with cell phone. Okay, but now I'm gonna stop this film because I need to use my cell phone to fix a reparation program, and I need to do the physical reparation in this drone. The squad will be good in a few moments, but I will show to you. But don't open your drones into your house because you're gonna damage it and will be so difficult to repair. Okay? And it's here our good problem to solve. The drone have a good calibration for the gimbal. The drone have a good stabilization for GPS. But the drone, there is no function in vision position. Look, it's good. The generation, this drone certainly is receiving images from the horizon. But there's no way to make this image arrive in the app. There's no transmission here. There's no vision position. And I need to find a way to solve the situation for this drone fly again with generation of images and with security. Because depending to the distance to the drone and the control from you, there is no way to see your quad, and your quad can't hurt. And I'm not in all the places for reparation. Let's go. Gonna repair now. Well, now we have a good situation for continue this repair. Look, my magic arm. And it's this. For you to solve all the problems in your quads, you need first find vision position. Still lights here need to be fixed. For you to bend your quad and to open your app and calibrate and fly. If you don't have a vision, you have nothing. The quad is not calibrated. No. But I can fly. It's all right here now. And it's calibrating. I don't like when this calibration is too delayed. I like and I feel secured when the calibration is together, the opening the system. But now we have a situation of vision positioning, and we had not this situation. I will do anything more in this drone to be perfect for fly with security. But now I have here a good situation for fly. Here, my friends, I see you other day.